So here is a business opportunity that can actually let you earn up to 3,000 per referral, and it actually works in Zambia. So there's this company called K1000, and this is their Facebook page. So what these do is they actually buy for you a car on your behalf, and they import it and they deliver it at your doorstep. But how can you make money with this company? Well, if you know someone who wants to buy a car, or if you're an agent to help people buy cars, you can actually refer people to this company, and when they buy a car from them, you actually get a commission. But what makes this company different from other car dealers in Zambia? Well, it's because, okay, with this company, if you scroll through their posts, you're going to find that the cars which they advertise here, like, the prices are really affordable. Okay, unlike other companies whereby you find the price like they are 2 times higher as compared to the price which you can find here. So on this page you can find like cars for less than 100k, of which some of these cars you can actually find on other agent platforms listed for 200k. So it's really a good site, it's really a good company, although I've not tried them. But well, this is what this channel is all about. So this channel is all about sharing real money making methods that actually work in Zambia, and this page actually got my attention. So this is not a sponsored video. I was not contacted to make this video. I just thought of sharing this opportunity because this is what this channel is all about. So this is the page and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so give them a try. I think I'll include the link in the description. Yeah, bye for now. So one more thing, I think starting tomorrow I'm going to start going live on any of my channels. Okay, I haven't yet decided about the time and on what days exactly, but I'll definitely post on my Instagram or Facebook. I'll update you when actually I'll be doing that. So make sure that you stay tuned and good. Bye for now. This is K.